Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's session we'll see one more type of prompts in prompt engineering. So in our previous session we have seen a few types of prompt engineering, that is zero shot prompts, one shot prompt, few shot prompt, induction instructions based prompts as well as role based prompts. And today we'll see two more types of prompts, that is open ended prompts and the closed ended prompts. So here a small difference among these two. Open-ended prompts are the prompts which will be giving multiple answers, whereas closed-ended prompts are the prompts which gives a single answer. It doesn't give the multiple answers. That's the only difference among the open-ended and the closed-ended. So we'll see the comparison between them and also some examples. Yes. So let us start. So here, let us see the open-ended prompts. As I said, it allows the multiple answers. That means the prompt which gives the multiple answers. Okay, it comes under this category, open-ended prompts. And it is used to generate a detailed, creative and critical thinking responses. So once, if the question is having a multiple answers, that is automatically it's a detailed answer. So that's why these prompts comes under the category of open-ended prompts, which gives them multiple answers. So one best example you can see, what are the advantages and disadvantages of social media? If the instruction or if the prompt is in this way, what are the advantages and disadvantages of social media? So obviously this question will be having a multiple answers. So that will be, social media will be having usage of social media will be having a more than one advantage as well as more than one disadvantages. So multiple answers we can expect for this particular question. Similarly, you can see what is the impact of AI in medical diagnosis. So how this artificial intelligence is being used in a medical diagnosis. So in many factors we are using this artificial intelligence, particularly in a healthcare, right? So this question will also be giving multiple answers. So whatever the prompts we are using which leads to the multiple answers, that comes under the open-ended prompts. And the quite opposite to the open-ended prompts is the closed-ended prompts. So here the closed-ended prompts are the direct questions that usually have a single correct answer. So it doesn't return the multiple answers, but it will return a single answer. And the single answer means the results can be either yes or no, a true or false, or just a number or some fact. So if it is a yes or no, obviously there will be only one answer. True or false, only one answer. For example, multiple choice questions. So multiple choice questions, there will be one question and we need to select only one correct answer from the four answers. So it will also be having only one correct answer. So all those comes under this closed-ended prompts. So best example for this is, so can data be stored in a cloud server? So obviously yes. And see, the process of converting plain text to unreadable code is called, it's nothing but an encryption. There will be no other answer for this one. And choose one. Here the instruction itself specifying choose only one, which protocol is used for secure web communication. Similarly, can a YouTube be used for education purpose? Just yes or no. So the result will be either yes or no, but the explanation can be given for that particular, the justification can be given why yes and why no. Okay, so these the prompts which gives only one answer comes under this closed-ended prompts. You can see the differences among these open-ended prompts and the closed-ended prompts. So coming to the first aspect, that is a response type. So it will be descriptive because it will be having a multiple answers. So it is a descriptive or analytical. But coming to the closed-ended prompts, we'll be getting only one answer, that is a factual or a specific. And coming to the number of answers, as we discussed it, many possible. So that's why we are saying more than one. And here only one correct or a few, very few. And example, so one question, one prompt explain why cybersecurity is important. So there are many reasons. There might be having a many reasons. So that complete reasons will be given in this open-ended prompt. And coming to this closed-ended prompts, is cybersecurity important? So before going why, we are asking it is. That means we'll get either yes or no. So exact answer, right? And this open-ended prompt encourages the critical thinking in order to give the complete analytical or a descriptive answers. And coming to the closed-ended prompts is a recall or a recognition. And the main application, that means where we are going to use these open-ended prompts is, so essays or discussions. If there is an essay or a discussion, you can go with the open-ended prompts. And if it comes with a quiz or test or exam, then we can go with the closed-ended prompts, right? So hope you understood this one, and now we'll see examples, right? So we will execute these prompts so that you will be understanding. So the first prompt, coming to the open-ended prompts, I'll ask this question. This prompt, we should not tell it as a question. I am giving the prompt. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of social media? So we'll be getting a multiple answers. See, advantages. There are a lot of advantages. Easy communication, information and awareness, and business and marketing opportunities, very good, and talent and creative showcase, etc., etc. So we'll be getting a lot of answers here, right? It doesn't restricted to only one answer. There will be a lot of advantages and disadvantages. Similarly, the second question explains how social engineering attacks can be identified. So like phishing, okay, social engineering attacks means a phishing attacks. Okay, how many types or how many categories? How these social engineering attacks can be identified. Let us check out this one. See, again we are getting multiple answers. We may get the multiple answers. See, yes, how social engineering attacks can be identified. So you can see. So we are getting some definition based upon the human psychology. The attack will be done. So one is a suspicious and urgent messages, unknown or unusual senders, etc. So we'll be getting a lot of answers, right? So these kind of questions we may expect multiple answers. And coming to the closed-ended prompts, so let us see, can data be stored in a cloud server? So I'll stop here and let us check out this. See, can data be stored in a cloud server? Yes, obviously. See, we got an exact answer. Yes, data can be stored in a cloud server. So we are getting the explanation, but the answer is only one. And coming to the next one, so can YouTube be used for education purpose? So for this also we'll be getting only one answer, either yes or no, and afterwards we can expect the explanation why, right? So you can observe the prompt. If you are giving this prompt, we are getting only one answer. If you are using this prompt, we'll be getting multiple answers. So that shows the difference between open-ended prompts and the closed-ended prompts. So hope you understood the difference among open-ended and closed-ended, and let's stop here, and hope you enjoyed the session. If you really enjoyed the session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.